Alright, today I'm going to make a video on the iRobot Roomba 890. iRobot Roomba 890. And the Roomba i1. Alright, so now you might notice that these are switched around. It's because I noticed that they have the same type of brushes. And I was like, these might fit. And they did, so I swapped them out. I have the good looking ones in here, so like the ones that aren't worn down as much in this one. And then the one with the floor tracker, I have the one with the more worn down ones. And these are also switched out too, because since this is a random navigation and that one has a floor tracker, this one cleans better by itself. So that's why I swapped them out. So let's just see what they can get in a versus clean down here, where we're gonna have the projector and some speakers, if you might have noticed. Alright, let's start. And yes, I did empty out the bins, I think. Yes, I did. And this is just carpet over concrete. Like, there's none of that padding stuff, because this is what it looks like on the other side. Just a concrete. And both of these we've had them for more than 1 year. I wonder if I should go get the other robot vacuums to go join the fun. Yeah, I'm gonna go get the iRobot Roomba 675 to go join the fun down here. I'll be right back. Alright, so I have both of those ones. I stopped them because I brought these ones down here, and I'm gonna go get another one. All of their dustbins, I gotta go empty them upstairs. Here we go. Let's let this thing begin. And I have 2 more robot vacuums at my dad's house, and then one little cheap one at my brother's girlfriend's house. Alright, here we go. This is 5 of them, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. 5 robot vacuums. 2 of them are Nito, and then 3 of them are Roomba. Or iRobot. Now, I have this big barrier. I think I might have already said that, but you guys have been noticing this. Just really making sure that none of them will get through. Alright, so now I must say, some of these were given to me. That one, and that one. My mom got me that one, the same as that one over there. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm just gonna set you guys down somewhere, and then I'll just be watching. Even though that this carpet was new and it got put in this weekend, I'm pretty sure these are still gonna have a lot of stuff. Like, look at that. They're already attacking each other. I don't really know what that means. Okay. That's weird. I couldn't hear what it said. Huh, that was really weird. You can really see the carpet lines. There's a lot of stuff on here too. Look at this, look at how cool that is. It's got a screen. I've had that one over there for almost 10 years now. This one is just getting attacked. Hey, that's the thing. That's just the thing about having tons of robot vacuums. I think it's mad. It's getting way too many inputs. That one does not have an original side brush. I had to find that one. Because the original one, it broke. And it stripped the screw hole on the inside. The 675. After this, I'm gonna let them all spot clean at one time. This is about as loud as, like, maybe like 89 decibels. It's like running one big robot vacuum, but from all the way across from every single part of the room. That's what this is like. Especially with that one. Because this one has that big beater brush on it. There's a little piece of something on that one. I wonder what that came from. Yeah, look at that. That one's got aluminum on it. That's crazy. I just need new batteries for both of those and possibly the 675. That battery is pretty good, and that battery is really good. Yeah, see, this is crazy. You can just see all the carpet lines. Especially from the Nitos, because they're a lot heavier than the Roombas. Look at that. Oh, I was hoping that would be magnetic. Wait, how about this? Oh, no it isn't. That would have been cool though. How about this? Nope, but this is. Yep. There we go. Wow, this is dusty. That one's hot, because that's got an incandescent on it. I wonder if there's another light bulb over here for that. Yo. Nah, I don't see any. Wait, the light bulbs are probably over in here. Because incandescent light bulbs, they suck in 2024. Especially 2024. I mean 2025. Especially fluorescence. Like, who uses fluorescent now? I don't remember where those light bulbs are. Hey, I guess it's fine though. Like, I could just steal one from right there. Ooh, maybe not. I don't know. That incandescent bulb is still gonna be super hot. Oh yeah, look at this thing. That's a Kirby Avalier too. No, yeah, that's a Kirby Avalier. That thing is so strong, it could rip up the carpet. Alright, so I'm gonna set you guys down somewhere, and then I'll resume it. Once they're all done, I'll do a spot clean on all of them. Maybe time-lapse that, and that'll look pretty cool. Like, I don't really know where I set this down now. Sounds like one of them got shut off. Oh, the battery issue on this one. The battery's so bad, it just shuts off randomly. I had to restart. Please press OK to restart. Hey, you better not do that again, alright? Don't do it again. Let me check the brush condition on this. What? How is one of them already dead? Yeah, I just need a new battery. Hey, it got quite a bit of stuff though. Well, I guess this one is disqualified. Well, not really, because it tried. I'll just let it charge up here, so then it can still at least be in this room.